Hi Preeti, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very fine. Today we did a telegram structure, all EA is ready and updating properly. But what I realized was one of my trade was very fast going to the loss and I was not able to make it break even because the break even level means the trade was in profit and then very fast it goes up. And I was not able to do so. I moved the stop loss, another mistake, and the stop loss said it was a good loss. And then after that, I saw there's the opportunity to go in a buy trade, which almost 90% cover the previous trade loss. And now I'm testing a panel, which I create by ChatGPT. What is this panel? When you put it on the the chart in MT5 with the
Mm.
crosshair, you track the points. How much points? Let's say it's 1,000 points, which is 100 pips. All right, and your EA will automatically calculate as per to you mention in the EA $100 risk. So it will open according to that the trade size automatically. That's what I'm trying to achieve. And the TP as
Okay.
well, because R2 R1 is to TP. Later you can drag the stop loss or TP little bit here and there, but it will be automatically calculated, so the risk is in control. I like to control the risk, so it's better control.
Right.
So I'm trying to do that, and I do believe code is almost there. Let's check it out. Um, okay, the market is really very nicely moving. Okay, let's do another buy. Okay, I clicked on the buy button, which system gives me stop line. Oh, okay. Ah, no, it works in a very different way. I'm a bit confused with it. Entry line. No, my entry, it's not here. Oh, it is placing automatically an entry on a place where we set entry line. Wow. I'm sorry, give me a time. You can see on the chart I'm trying to do it, but it's a bit, don't know how it will work. It's not using the software which I am trying. I can do the trade here and my stop loss is here. My stop loss goes there, but how to that is. Uh, okay, the moment I press reset, it reset over there exactly on that. Um, give me a moment.
Yeah.
Um, what? Wait a minute. Address. Okay, let's see. I already asked ChatGPT to help me to fix it so that when the lines are on the chart, example, you can see a blue line and a red line, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, red line you cannot see. Okay, let's say I place the red line here. See, this is a stop. So according to this, how far this the entry? So roughly EA will automatically open the trade here with the $100 stop loss. As per to that, the trade size should be automatically calculated. So means before the trade is open, we can do this like structure, and what will happen? Means EA will automatically calculate the lot size, and when it will hit this level, it will automatically open a buy according to how far the stop is $100 loss. It can be to 0.10 micro or zero point 0.5 or whatever. And then if it is going up, that's it. And then we can later drag the stop loss up as well. So let's see if it works in this way. That would be great. That's what I'm hoping at this moment, that it should work accordingly. You can see here buy, sell, and reset button, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Expert properties button height, button width is right. Okay, we make it 250 button. The button spacing we make it 15. Left to right position we make it 50. Let's see. Make some settings different. Okay, there are buttons behind as well. You see that?
Sorry.
Okay, I see there are two buttons. This also works. Wow. Ah, stop line. Okay. Let's see now how much trade size it open. Oh, 0.06. You see that? I open a trade here at this line, and the stop is here. You see, and it opens automatically 0.06. Place the stop loss TP, and the message goes to TP stop loss including, and it doesn't show the trade size, but it will show on the chart, I believe. Okay, on the chart, I cannot see the trade size. So I will add the option also with the trade size and how much is the risk on the trade in this. So it will help. Okay, trade stop loss hit. So we have loss of $16.38. Okay, let's see how it measure and how it calculates and how it did it. Okay, the trade risk was $16 only. How is that possible? $16. Six. Okay, maybe manually I will change it. Okay, we go for another buy. So what is this? Stop line. Fix it. And there's the stop line here. Yes, that's very good. We can buy. Yes. Oh, okay, because I am changing the because the trade was here, I am changing to here. So that was the reason it makes a difference. Okay. So new order by this. Okay, it's showing the stop here. Very good. The trade size is not showing. So we will fix it later, no problem. So how was your day, Preeti?
It wasn't that great. So I was into sales and the market went to buys.
All right.
Um, so I hit like one or two stops, but it's
So
okay. I could
yeah, it is.
not even like trade a lot. There were setups in the morning, but I've missed those.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what you can do is you can uh, follow the Telegram channel very fast. You will see the update because I'm right now testing. I do believe I will finish it by today. So the trade planner
Yeah.
once ready, you will see on the Telegram. not only the message where the trade is open, now stop loss TP, you can see the latest message. And then I will definitely make sure it will show the trade size and how much risk on the trade as well. It will be mentioned in that message, so that anybody opens, they can exactly follow. If they want to risk $100 example, and they want how much trade size, it will show the trade size as well, so it will help.
Right.
You know why the gold go up?
No.
Okay, I will explain you.
One reason that I think is that it was just falling and falling and falling, and there was like no pullback uh, to like average level, to that average level. So
Okay, that,
maybe it's just getting there right now.
yes, you are very right. What happened was, okay, let's show the screen in a higher level. So when we go on a 4 hour time frame, we draw this trend lines. You can see that, correct?
Yeah,
So what happened? The market go here and touch and drop. And when it drops down here, and then when it starts going up, and it was up. Sorry, I actually have done proper analysis. Yeah, here you see here. And let's close this and look at this in a different way. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but I think we need some of them. Okay, what happened was when the market, if you look at the 4 hours, was the, today, yeah, today itself, when yesterday it goes up, actually what happened was yesterday was a buy trend already. If we look at this, yes, it's a lower low, but in the candle trend, it was a buy trend. And when candle
yeah,
goes up, then this candle goes down, it hit to the lower level here, which was the 4 hours, or you can say daily also, support resistance lines, which are these lines. If we look at this, you see here, it's a bit out of order already. Let me fix it if I can. Okay. Okay, I have to open another chart, then might it will help me.
I just realized the 4 hour candle timing is different of Meta 5 and Trading View. Like, I just wondered why would that be?
Why would that be? Oh, the reason because each broker have their own. We say, let me close all this open trades first. It will give a confusion to the traders. See, like this, it will give the updates immediately. Okay,
Yeah,
now we are at the daily candle. We see that the trend starts by, and the market was actually in a lower low zone of this, but it can go up and then will come later down to make the
yeah,
trader feel it's going up. Example, you see weekly candle is already sell, monthly candle was in sell, but just now on the point where it is the open and the close is there. So what we are looking in the daily is here a struggle a bit, right? So now what we are looking into, how should we okay, drag this from the bottom, both candles, you see here, correct? Lower low to
yeah,
lower low, second and the third. You see it got exact support here. And then a higher high, to higher high like.
yeah,
So the higher high here is like can go up to 83, 46, 83, 84, which still not touch. Might it can touch and then, or maybe it will be here and next day it will touch here. But end of the day, if zigzag we see, if we see the weekly also still sell. So what it is, what here is happening, the candle goes up, you open a sell, a stop. If the candle close up again, you can open a sell and a stop. Means up to until the weekly candle is not shifted into uh, blue structure, you can still go with the daily candle, sell trades. But when the candle close, like this candle close, it hits stop loss. But before hitting the stop loss, if we see in the morning, it never hit, it was going down very beautifully. And then it goes and
Yeah.
this support level and boom, goes up. Correct?
Yeah.
So what happened here was in 4 hours also, I see 1 hour here. 1 hour. I see a support and resistance on this line. You see here. Correct?
Yeah.
So you see in this way, the bottom of this and bottom of this, and it touches. And when it starts going up, I open up a trade in a smaller time frame, looking at the structure, and I was in a very beautiful buy trade, uh, and you can see there was the update also in the Telegram, uh, and then I close it when it touched upper support level and start a little bit coming down. I close it, and after that market goes up, I was already doing this update of the EA to send the stop loss and TP and the trade panel. So all this I was doing for quite number of like hours already, because it's not easy when you put in ChatGPT. Sometimes do mistake, you have to fix it, and then I was testing and this and that. So I missed quite number of movements, and in one place I did a wrong move also. I first open the trade, it goes into break even. I shouldn't go again into the signal, same one, and make a sell. So I was fixing this, and I go immediately this type of alert, bing bong, and I go to the chart and I place the sell, and I immediately go to ChatGPT to fix the panel. And then I realized I did something wrong. And the moment I turn, in 1 minute time frame, the market already go above the uh, my trade open. So I was okay. I shouldn't open the same trade on the same break even which was hit. Trade means it was already over. I shouldn't have gone into that trade. And some more when I go, it was a bit low. So mistake second, mistake third. The stop loss which I place, I move it higher because I was thinking it will come down, and I will start again fixing my EA for trading view and we say panel. So while I'm doing that, it goes up and hit the stop loss. Then I come back again because the message pop up, stop loss hit. So I very carefully look into what shall I do now. I look into that market is going towards this side, this higher side, correct? So I
It
verify.
actually like didn't break the swing low. So internal structure, the hourly and the 30-minute structure was still like higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, right?
Yes, and if we see the candles also, this is like called a lower low and lower high. But when this yesterday candle of daily break, it becomes higher high, this become higher low. And now
Yeah.
today market goes down and touch this support line of that level in daily and even in 1 hour. We can see here, right? So structure
Yeah.
was telling I am in a strong buy mood. Be careful. So I very carefully put the trade, take the profit, and then not very big, and then I did one mistake, and then I cover up the profit, and then after that I stop more trading, and I start fixing this panel at the moment so that I can do much better trading and traders can get much better results. The reason because this you can see is a bit problematic. Why problematic? I will show you. Hmm. If we put here 100, it's showing double buttons, and I don't know why it's showing that. You see here, buy, sell, and reset, buy, sell, and reset. There are two type of buttons here, and which is working or which is not working, I don't really understand. Because if I
Oh,
press reset here, going on this time frame, you see it shows me already a stop loss line, which I can drag anywhere. Correct.
yeah.
So if I drag the stop loss line, let's say, here. It's already below this line again. So hopefully if it close below, then it can be a strong sell. But strong sell also up to here, and then it can lose the. Okay, so we take a roughly ideally here. And if I click a buy, let's say it's buy, no. Oh, okay, it's showing one click panel over. Okay, I click a buy here. See, it opens the trade. And it respects this stop loss, which I place, which is $5. But I want, which I'm choosing in the structure here, is you see risk amount is $100. So according to that, it should automatically calculate and do the work. Let's say click buy and stop order. If I am placing it over here, then after opening only I can see how much is the risk, correct? Makes sense now. Right now you
It's
see
too
this.
technical for me.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so now what we do is we go here and place the stop loss line here. And if I click the buy here, it should automatically calculate the lot size. So it's not calculating accordingly. So I asked already ChatGPT to fix it. It gives me a new code already. I will place it in the system and then we will see what it is saying. I have developed so many of the EA and the code and everything. So I'm familiar with how to use it, how to work with them. So hopefully by morning I will be able to fix it. So if it is fixed, it will be quite good for everyone because I will place this code for all the traders to also use it in their empty file so that they can easily trade with this structure. Okay, we remove it and place it down again. Okay, just to reward. Entry line. I drag the entry line here. Let's see what EA will do. If it hits this and automatically, but where is the stop left? How it will calculate the trade size? We don't know. Let's hope for the best. What it will do. Okay, in 1 minute 55 seconds, the half an hour timer is going to be over. And you see that 1 hour candle is still in a buy zone, and still the height is somewhere here in daily structure, which is 4,700. And today is Friday, right?
Yes.
First day of the month. Market really can do wonders today. Let's see if after closing this half an hour candle, 1 minute 15 minutes, 1 minute 15 seconds, 10 seconds left, what it will do. If it close somewhere or wherever and that booms back up, means it can go at least up to here or even more higher. It's 49, 46. So that's how I very carefully look for the trade, switch the candles, look at them, what I shall do, what I shall not do, and then go for the trade. But if my attention is somewhere else, I'm fixing something else, then I also can do mistakes. So that's where. Hi, Gabby, how are you? We both are fine. Everything is fine. We are trying to help you guys in every way. Right now, the Telegram also is set up, and I'm trying to. Oh, Preeti is away. Add to the stage. Sorry, Preeti, you were wrongly out of the stage. I don't know how it happened.
It's all right.
Okay, so we are trying to fix the trade panel, which will help to manage the risk, and that will be very, very good. Okay, market has shown a half an hour is closed. Let's see. Stop. Wow. Okay, buy is here, 11 micro lot, and stop is here, 670, 11, and 20. Let's see. Right. It will be 50 to $60 lot. The TP one is 3. Oh, TP is it? Okay, TP is 333.96, exactly 3 times to the risk. Let's see. Points are 3000, and it should be 101,000 points. Somewhere stop loss should be here. It's showing here. So half of the like risk which I'm mentioning in the ES settings. Let's see. Let's see. Wait for this trade, and exactly is below this. At least it's still much better than before. Okay, we can see the trade signal. New order, actually you buy 4632.18, TP 4662, stop loss 4626. Okay, let's see. Wait for it. I do believe stop loss will hit, and the market is going to go. Wow, wow, wow. What is happening here? Trade close. But why so many messages? One, two. Oh, okay, because two trades were hit. One was micro and another 59. Yeah, $60 loss. We have almost done our testing. Just wait for trade panel as well. Okay, let's see what the market will now do after this. Strongly, the market is showing sell already movement, I believe. It's going towards sell structure. Because if we see the lower trend line here, correct? It is 46.17. And if we look from high to low, it drops. It's another 340, sorry, and this 340 plus 360 almost points, which is $36. Yeah, 360 points, $36 almost. It's a good movement actually. Oh, 1 hour. Okay, okay. New candle of 1 hour also start. I wrongly was opened that.
Yes,
Oh,
just 4 minutes ago.
okay. That's why the error happened, and that's why. Okay, now we see that 4 hours is still in buy, strong buy. So 1 hour, when it will close is in red somewhere here, then we can go for buy for the top as a target. TP1 and TP2 will be somewhere 46.91. There's quite number of hours left in today's market. And right now is I think so London and US session, so they can do wonders.
Right.
So let's see if it hit here and close above and then moves back up. We can expect we can expect today 46.95 or 98. Like one somewhere, let's say here too. Yeah. Hopefully, let's see. Right now it's going down, definitely looking for this trend line. But if it breaks down and then down structure, then what we can see is in daily there was a sell in this already. Yeah, daily candle also is red. Okay, daily candle also is red. So 4 hour, still far away to close. Okay, let's see. I cannot say or predict anything at the moment, and I don't want to predict at all because market has their own movements. You just have to keep an eye. These trend lines are very well respected. So
Right.
if you trade accordingly, I do believe, okay, you see here, there is a very big possibility still of market going one time more up until the structure is stable. Because this is uh, lower high, this is lower low, then again lower high, this becomes a higher low if it breaks up. Okay, market is going good. Chase, yes, 17. Yeah. Let's see. You see here a bit struggle, we can see that struggle is going on here. The
Right.
reason I do believe because here a lot of buyers are sitting. Make sense? A lot of buyers
Yes.
are sitting, I believe. So this will be a very good place to look for a short-term buy. If somebody wants to scalp from here to here, it can bounce back for a while. There's a very strong chances. So, expert, expertise, let's make $1,000, which is 1%. They bought automatically 3 times. Okay, now we will look for buy. Market is not giving a chance. We realize it's not working right. I don't know. Something happened wrong already with the panel. Okay, because I maybe change the values. Let's go back to 100 and see. Ah, but last time, let's test it out with the figures. It should be more smooth than what it is right now doing. Shouldn't be in this way. It- Stop stop to entry. How many pips? 900. So it should open roughly here one standard limit. Let's see. I have to manually open or it will automatically open. What do you think, so Preeti? It will touch the higher side or no?
I think the selling does not look strong here. Um, might go a bit higher. I don't know. Like, let's wait for the 4 hour candle.
The trades
Four
disappeared.
hour is still like lower high, lower lows,
Yeah.
but the buying was too strong.
Mine was really strong because they want to go up and remove the buyers.
Right.
So if they remove the buyers, then only they can very nicely drop.
Right.
Correct?
I would like now prefer going for smaller quantities or maybe like trade after confirmations only because it's buying in small time frame.
Okay, the answer is simple. If you want to go for the trade, look at the high time frame. Okay, daily is a bit red, but it's almost on the open price, and four
Yeah.
hours is still in a buy like this. And if you look at the trend lines, yes, it has respected the, you see the lower trend lines. Now it is again trying to fall down and show, let's say people are we are in sell, but from here if we look 4 hour is strong, still strong, and daily 1 hour is like this. If it goes above and touch this line, I will not be wondering that it hit this line because this is upper side resistance, which later it can respect. Example, let's see weekly. You see weekly is somewhere open price there. Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
You see open price, yeah, 46.92 somewhere, 90 whatever eight. So if it is going and testing that level, which is very big possibility today. Oh,
So it is currently like at 50% level. Like as we discussed earlier, it usually corrects to 50-60%. So it's in that zone right now. 50%, I think,
yes.
from the
So,
swing high to swing low.
okay, means the total bottom to high, what we are talking, no, 50% is not done as if we are discussing like this. From low to high, right? This low to high
On
or the
like, no, not this one. Uh,
uh swing
the
looking ahead.
hourly time frame, the buying momentum I'm talking about.
Okay, hourly time frame buy movement. You see market start going up. Okay, I again missed that
Yeah,
trade. So give me a moment. Let me open up a buy trade. I was placing the trade here, remember, and it
yeah.
moved, and I missed. Okay, let's see where it places the stop loss automatically. Wow, here. Okay, if I click straight buy, it choose automatically the trade size, which is very far. Okay, updates, very good. Updates are done. 1000, yeah, perfect. So here is the TP, which is I think for 2500. Let's take it up. Okay, it's giving regular updates. A lot of updates are going on. So yeah, that TP high is the actually TP1 level, 2800. But I strongly believe it will move towards the high level here. We keep it here for a while. But if it doesn't go above and start struggling, then I will see what to do. You see, it start running up.
Yeah.
So the calculation here is correct because it will go towards the weekly open price. You see here, weekly open.
Yeah.
Today is the weekend. So if it goes here and then the next week open, because it's a lower low, then becomes lower high, and this is like this. The new candle
In
really
between.
go down or go up as per to level we have to check again where and what the market will do. Okay, if market close here, the next week opens here, it will be here, little bit go up, but never break this line, you see here, and then boom, all the way down towards this. So they are creating buyers. Very, very carefully trade on these levels. Enjoy the buy today. Next week, uh, today is what? Friday. Next
Friday.
week, Monday, be careful, don't take buys. You see here the upper line?
Yeah. Resistance.
Yeah. Because if this candle is touching and this candle go and touch here or somewhere here, the next week will be opening same like here somewhere, right? And
Yeah.
then will go up here, maximum 4617. And the height of the previous is 4641, somewhere 4632. So it will open here and touch the line somewhere here, the resistance line 4709. So we better be careful. Don't go into the buy next week. We still can go for the buy and hold it. And then following that week, it can drop down. Yeah, it makes sense to me. You know why? If this candle go and close up in blue in this, the next week it will become the higher. Remember in the sell a blue candle. Remember, and we
Yeah.
make a sell with the stop and all the week sit and enjoy. That will
Yeah.
happen. Right? Let's see what the trade will do now. As per to my understanding, it will go here or close even little bit above. They will do some very big movement today. So be careful.
Right.
If you want to open a buy, you can open a buy. Not to worry. Take a stop. What will happen? It will hit. It will not blow your account if you are taking 0.01 micro loss. Test it out.
The buy.
Yeah. See, you already crossed this support line, which was here, and the higher time frame support line was also on this crossover, which is going up. And I strongly believe, oh, good, good profits, and we will see here $6,000 profit. So it can little bit go higher even. So plus, but I will be happy with this. Now the trade panel is ready. I'm very happy. Now the trades will be much better because I don't have to think anything. I just have to click the buy and it will place the stop. Hopefully, if I have to fix it up by tomorrow a little bit more, I will do it. Then we will see more better. This is the latest high. This one we don't need. Okay, leave it because there was one of the possibility. Okay. Looks to me a quite good trade. What do you think?
Let's say I just closed a sell in profit, like that will pull back in silver.
Okay.
I don't know, it's just I can't have a good buyers, strong buyers.
Okay, I will tell you why. Because first of all, you are not full time. Make sense? You are, your mind is diverted into multiple things. Example: if you are driving a car and thinking a lot of things, and your attention is somewhere, the possibility of you hit or not hit, but somebody comes in front wrongly, then you can definitely hit. Make sense?
Right. Yes.
So trick is you have to be very alert, super alert all the time. Look carefully what is happening on the chart. Flip the time frame, especially don't look on in this way like okay, the time frame, the trend is higher, low, lower, whatever. That is one thing. Yes, it's very true. But candle movement of the day tells you a lot of things, which a lot of people ignore it. You see, just now when I'm opening this trade, also I was flipping the chart, looking at the candles, what this candle time frame is doing, means what this time frame. Okay, the possibility of the weekly open price can also hit because today open price when market open goes down, hit the trend line, goes up. Even in 1 hour, it was hitting the trend line there. After a while, you see when the market drop and 1 hour structure was there, which we saw. I will show you again. On this time frame we see here, this was a daily structure. uh, why the daily looks like here is a bit gap, because when you're looking at flip the chart time frames, it makes a little bit difference as well, because trend lines are for this time frame. You see our low of this time frame is 3904, and here almost there, correct?
Oh,
See the trend line almost there. So it is, you have to be understanding that every time frame when you touch the trend line over there, but in a smaller time frame it will show on a different levels a bit, not exactly. So when you see this daily support line, and then when you see the hourly, you see very beautifully it also gives you the signal that I'm going up, correct?
yeah.
And if you see what happens for the daily, it was first going down, hit the level, then going back up, break out the open price and goes up. Now it is going towards, I strongly believe, towards the weekly open price, which is somewhere 4, 6, 9 something, 9093, whatever. And it is going towards that, which is a weekly open. Because if weekly open close a bit up, like it's something like you see here monthly, this will be like a weekly, like going up, but it is not going above the, it's too much. Okay, you see if the weekly close up here, the monthly trend also will be up, but overall the monthly trend is a bit down. You see, it becomes lower low, higher low, sorry, lower high. This is higher low. Monthly goes up and it closes here. It will respect the trend line, which will be followed by the monthly somewhere here. can go up here and struggle, or it we can see in a weekly time frame what it do. Okay, it's very far away. No, it doesn't show any strong movement. And we come to daily. Daily also is going down. You see, it comes and breaks here. Here, so there is a up possibility on this level. Struggle 53. Oh, it's near to the height already, 55, 56. So it's a bit sketchy here. So you have to look on this structure, and if it struggles and break down, we will know. Weekly structure will be somewhere here, correct? So next week candle will be here, and the height will be here, still below this line, and then yeah, that's how I will understood. If it is not breaking the up high lines, what it can do to the lower side. That's all what I can tell you. Here, this levels to watch, and then down back here. Right now, you see my trade was in $700 profit. Now back to 100, 200, struggling
Hmm.
here. See here, struggle start over. So 300. If we look on this from here to here, today at 46.75, it is possible. It is possible. Should be 75 better. Make it 75. More like better option. So TP 75, if it hits and a bit struggle is there, then we can look at the weekly. A weekly opens here, and there is the both time frame crossover, so which will be a strong 47.39 support. And the previous week candle, this one will be previously go the 29. So it breaks little bit, take the all the sellers, but they say liquidity sweep, right? They eat their
Yeah.
stop loss, and then it can push them down. So that will be the proper plan. I will go with it. Analyze already on the live stream. So everybody is looking. They can also follow that structure if they want to. If they thinks that that will help them, go ahead with that. If you don't think so, then it's your own analyze what you want. Because I have done in a multi-time frame, in a weekly, monthly, daily, 4 hour, everything. I'm looking very carefully because right now my mind is free, and I'm stress free completely. So strong belief is that, okay. You see, when we come to 4 hours, the line looks very far away, but when we go to
Yeah.
exact where it has to be, it is showing exact like right place. So 75 is a very good target. 51, 82, whatever it is, but I will take this out at 75 if it hits. Actually, the morning trade which I missed wrongly was which I placed here on this support line, and then what I did, I make a support line. I will tell you here. I take the trade, and when I was looking at what the YouTubers were doing, they opened quite late. I open early. What was the reason? I will tell you that as well. Okay, what I did was I saw this is buy when it hits here and it starts doing like this behave. I go into smaller time frame, and I look here half an hour. Yeah, remember. I saw here the possibility. You see here close, and then goes down and touch here. First my trade was here, and it hits the stop loss exactly here. $179 or $198 loss. And then it goes down, touch here, and then goes back up and cross back here. And I immediately open the trade somewhere here was my trade. And my first TP and then my next TP was the 88 somewhere here. And then market goes up and hit this and comes down. Break even was somewhere here, still far away, but I closed the trade. First time was on break even. Then second time I took the trade in the lower time frame again somewhere. Yeah, on this candle. All right, so on this candle somewhere. And then my stop loss was quite very nearby. And then market goes up and I saw it's again struggling. I closed the trade and then after it market boom, boom, boom. And I was already fixing my things. I was already delayed. I don't want to enter in the running market without analyze and everything. One time I did mistake and I pay for it. 2,100 something dollar loss and then 1,800 $1,900 recovery after immediately that loss. And after that, small losses because I was testing 0.1 micro just in front of you. Some losses are there. And that one I already sent the message in the Telegram. Don't trade on that because I'm testing it right now. This trade definitely is already a trade because I saw the panel also working. Everything is fine, and trade is also in profit. Let's see. And I'm going to make a trade break even. Market is a bit strong. So whoever they are trading on this trade, they can see. You see immediately the update has happened. Update shows the stop loss is exactly in front of the trade. 4632.94 is the entry and stop loss is 4633.36. So we are on zero loss, actually $43 profit. And hopefully the market will pulls back quite hard because in higher time frames there is no such thing that I can draw. The trend line, if I draw here as well, which is 30 minutes, it is already close above, broken above, strongly believe it will go high. Strongly believe. And TP, I think so this will hit today. Let's see. So this is a small analyzing for today. And we do believe it will be fruitful for today and it will give more profits to us and the week will be closed in a happy moment and next week definitely I do believe everything will be very smooth and I will be trading very carefully, not testing anymore because in next 2 days I will be doing all complete everything testing or whatever need to be done so that from Monday we are regularly doing a proper trading, selective trades, even scalping or a long term. I will drop the message after the trade whether what is what, and that's it. We will trade happily and make a lot of money.
Right.
And what is your opinion on that?
What
We
is
should do
my
opinion that we should do this Telegram and let everybody make a lot of money.
Yes, we should definitely do it. Let's
That's good
make
spirit.
the change.
Yeah, make
We
the
are
change.
not like asking you to like sign up from any broker.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah, so
Not asking you to sign up any broker, and we are trying to give you the best trades so that you can earn the money. And how many likes today?
right.
Let's see.
There were like two when I checked.
Okay. Today we do not have 10 likes. Oh, my friend Gabby, when we will have 10 likes, definitely that day Preeti will announce the winner. So invite your friends and family, let them join the Telegram channel as well, and where they will see the trades. And what else? What else means they can see the trades, and moreover, what they can do is they come and view our this YouTube as well and give a like. And the moment they give the like, all of you will see the more likes, the more winners. We are not
Right.
like that. We will not give accounts. We will give accounts immediately, and in the past you have seen we have given. So everybody will enjoy a lot of accounts and make a lot of money with us because we are going to give you all like lives this trades as well. Like trading will go on. The Telegram message will immediately pop up on your screen, which will alert you that the trade is open. If you want to take a trade, it's up to you. We are doing all our best to make sure that we update you when you watch live. Sometime I don't have a trade for let's say 1, 2, 3 hours. I will sit and watch, but maybe you have some other work to do. Better is Telegram, right, Preeti?
Right.
Keep smiling. God bless you. Stay happy. Earn a lot of money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.